In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hyperlink color in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to enhance the overall design of your slides, want the hyperlinks to blend seamlessly with your theme, or just prefer different aesthetics, altering the hyperlink color can make a big difference. Let's dive in and go through these steps together. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're using the correct version that you prefer, as various versions might have slight variations in interface. Once you're inside, go ahead and open the PowerPoint presentation you'd like to edit. If you haven't started your presentation yet, simply create a new project and add your slides as needed. Now that your presentation is open, navigate to the slide where you've inserted your hyperlink. Click on the link you want to change, ensuring it's selected. If there are multiple hyperlinks on the slide, you can always return and repeat these steps for each additional link. With your hyperlink selected, the next thing you'll do is highlight it. This is a simple yet crucial step. By highlighting the link, you're letting PowerPoint know that you intend to make adjustments specifically to that piece of text. And don't worry, highlighting will not affect the functionality of the hyperlink itself. Next, look towards the top of your screen and locate the Home tab in the ribbon. The Home tab is typically where you'll find various formatting tools and is the central hub for making text formatting changes. After you've accessed the Home tab, direct your attention to the font color icon. It's usually represented by an A with a color bar beneath it. By clicking on this icon, you'll open a palette of colors from which you can choose. Your choice here depends entirely on your desired design. Perhaps you're matching your hyperlinks to the theme's color scheme, or maybe you want them to stand out with a bright hue. Whatever your preference, this palette offers a variety of options. Go ahead and click on the color you want to use for your hyperlink. Once selected, you should immediately see your hyperlink text color update to reflect this change. If you find you're not satisfied with your initial color choice, feel free to go back into the font color options and select a different one. Remember, there's no limit to how often you can change it, so play around with various colors to find what works best for your presentation. With these adjustments complete, your hyperlink is now set in your chosen color, and your presentation should reflect your personal style or branding consistently. If you're happy with the final result, go ahead and save your work. And there you have it. Now you know how to change the hyperlink color in PowerPoint to suit your presentation needs.